this video, we're going to go over how to use Combine Advisor to make manual harvest adjustments. This is an S700 Combine. First step, main menu, applications, Combine Advisor. For this example, we're going to say I have too much shoe loss. Back here in Combine Advisor, we're going to go to Optimize Performance. We find shoe losses. Right now it's saying it's okay. We're going to press that check mark. We put in the severity of it. I'm going to choose minor. It's going to tell me recommendation. If I think that's a good recommendation, that's what I want to do. I hit apply. It's going to make that adjustment. We're going to check our grain tank and watch our losses and see if that works. If it doesn't, we come back in here and make further adjustments.